In today's quick tutorial, we'll learn how to go live on YouTube from your desktop. If you're trying to stream online and on YouTube, in today's video, let me show you the process that you need to follow in order for you to go live. Let's head over to YouTube. Once you're inside of the YouTube channel that you're trying to go live on, click on the create button on the top and then click on go live. Once you're inside of the streaming section, click on the right now option as you'll need to set up a few things. Now there are two things that you can do. If you're using a laptop and you have an built-in webcam or a camera installed on your laptop, you can just click on go. Or if you're trying to use additional software to install and go live on YouTube, you can also do that. Let's try the first method, which is the no setup required. Click on go. And now here, as you can see, the webcam section now has started. You can add in your titles and descriptions, select your different webcams if you have so, and then click on next. In the next section, you'll get a few options of customization, as who can send messages or who can give interactions. Select the options that you need and then click next. Lastly, select if you want this stream to be private, listed, or public. Most people would want it to be public straight away. So click on this option and then you can just schedule the live. Click on done. And there you go. Everything is now set up. If you want, you can change up thumbnails of the YouTube live stream if you want. If not, you can just click on go live and you'll start to stream on YouTube. So that was a quick tutorial video on the way that you can go live on YouTube. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.